Japanese authorities have detected radiation levels 124 times higher than the accepted limit in a fish caught in waters near the crippled Fukushima nuclear plant, the Asahi Daily reported Saturday. The government-affiliated Fisheries Research Agency said Friday that the Black Sea bream had 12,400 becquerels of radioactive cesium per kilogram, far above the maximum limit of 100 becquerels per kilogram allowed for foodstuffs. The fish was caught on November 17 at the mouth of the Niigata River in Iwaki, Fukushima Prefecture, 37 kilometers 23 miles from the Fukushima plant, which was battered by a powerful March 2011 earthquake and subsequent tsunami. It was one of 37 Black Sea bream caught in and off Iwaki to study their radiation levels. The agency said it would conduct further studies to determine when the fish was contaminated with such high levels of radioactive cesium. 2 other fish also had radiation levels that exceeded Japan's food safety standards, containing 426 becquerels per kilogram and 197 becquerels per kilo, respectively. The readings of the other 34 Black Sea bream, a species that is no longer sold at fish markets in the affected region, showed levels of contamination below the accepted limit, the agency said. Black Sea bream fishing is currently restricted off the coasts of Fukushima, Miyagi and Ibaraki prefectures. After the nuclear disaster, Japan lowered its ceiling for allowable cesium in foodstuffs from 500 becquerels per kilogram to 100 becquerels per kilo, or 6 times stricter than European Union standards. In March of last year, a fish caught near the Fukushima plant had 740,000 becquerels of radioactive cesium per kilogram, the highest reading recorded since the nuclear disaster. EFE